Hi, my name is Lindsay. Today I'm going to provide you with information on buying a kitchen tap. The following guide will answer many commonly asked tap questions, plus a few more you may not have thought of. Finishes. Taps come in a variety of finishes, the most common being chrome. Silk steel, stainless steel and pewter finishes have a fine-grained finish and offer an alternative for a contemporary kitchen. Most other finishes, for example gold and bronze, are self-explanatory. We cannot advise on which finishes match each sink, as this is personal preference. Water pressure. The majority of taps will work on the average British domestic water pressure. If you live in a low or high pressure area, there are taps designed for your water supply. Please check the specifications for further details. Water pressure can be shown in three measurements: bar, psi or head in meters. In an unpressurized system, the water pressure is governed by the height of the storage tank, usually in the loft. The head, in meters, can be calculated by measuring the vertical distance from the tank to the tap, not the length of the pipes between the two. You can easily calculate the head from this measurement and then convert to bar, which is the most commonly used unit of measurement. The following formula is used to convert head to bar. 1 meter equals 0.1 bar. For example, 5 meters of head equals 0.5 bar. Also, 1 bar equals 14.5 psi, which may be the pressure given by your water company in a mains-fed system. Homes with tanks installed low, for example bungalows, may require low-pressure taps. Also, long or twisty pipe runs will reduce the pressure. In a mains-fed system, contact your local water supplier and they should be able to give you a figure for the water pressure in your area. This tends to be higher than gravity-fed systems. A common reason why hot and cold taps in the kitchen are at different pressures. Hot and pressurized system, cold from the mains. Don't forget that the setting of the mains stopcock can affect the pressure available in your home. Design. Designs are usually categorized into modern and traditional. Within each of these categories are a variety of designs to suit all tastes and styles. Some sinks have matching taps, for example, Frankie's Mythos sink and tap. Handle type. The majority of taps are of the crosshead or lever type. Crosshead. The handles of these taps are in the form of a cross and are the traditional design. Lever. Lever taps have levers to turn on the flow. These taps are further broken down into a single lever, where one lever on the tap controls water flow and temperature, and dual lever, where there is one lever for hot and one for cold. Abode have a paddle control tap, and it's very simple to use. Since you flick the controls, the tap is called the flick, and is a true design revolution that incorporates new ceramic valve technology, offering uncompromising smooth operation. Water filter taps. Each manufacturer produces taps which have a water filter built into the tap system. The filter cartridge, or inline filter, sits in the cupboard under the sink and gives filtered water on tap, rather than having to keep filling the Brita-type cartridge filter jugs. Inline filters need replacing approximately every 6 months on average usage, and are quick and easy to change. These types of taps are known as Tri-Flow and Tri-Spray for Frankie, Aquafire for Abode, and Spring Flow for Astrocast. Usually lever operated, some filter taps have 3 levers for each supply, hot, cold and filtered, while others have 2 levers, hot and a dual acting cold and filtered. Which one to go for is personal preference. Hot water taps. Hot water taps do exactly that, provide hot water on tap. This saves you having to boil kettles and is cost effective if you drink 5 or more cups of tea a day. Some models can dispense more than 100 cups an hour. For more information on hot water taps, please see our hot water tap guide. Spray taps and pull-out heads. In each range there are a number of taps with spray heads to provide a fine rinsing spray. Many of these have pull-out heads as well, so the end of the tap detaches from the main spout body on a hose, usually hidden in the spout, and can be directed where required. There are a couple of alternatives to this: a separate spray head mounted in the sink or work surface, or a more industrial-styled unit, for example, the Abode Alto. Fitting. Simply Kitchen Sinks recommends taps should be fitted by a professional plumber and is not able to offer advice on the fitting of taps as individual installations vary. Thank you for listening. We hope our information on buying a kitchen tap has helped. If you require any further assistance, please call 0845 3700 191.